In this video, we are going to be discussing bubble sort. Bubble sort is the simplest sorting algorithm that works by repeatedly swapping the adjacent elements if they are in the wrong order. Not suitable for large datasets because of high worst case time complexity. So if you have no idea what time complexity is, you can click on that pop-up link in the top right corner of the screen and visit that link to get some idea about what these terms mean. The time complexity of bubble sort is O of n squared and the space complexity of the bubble sort algorithm is O of 1. Let us now look at an example and see how bubble sort works. So suppose we have this list of numbers. So if we look at this first two here, so we can see that the value of 2 is less than 7. So we do not have to do anything. Okay. So next we move our focus to the numbers 7 and 4. So as you can see that the value of 7 is greater than 4, so the positions of 7 and 4 are swapped and the rest stays the same. Okay. Next if you look at 3 and 7, like we can see that the value of 3 is less than 7 and therefore it comes before the value of 7. So 2 stays wherever it was 4, then 3 takes the place of 7 and 7 takes the place of 3, 5 and 8 remains the same. Now our point of focus is 7 and 5, so 2, 4, 3 and stays the same, and 5 takes the place of 7 because it is lesser than 7, so it gets swapped. The value of 8 remains the same, and here you can see that the value of 7 is less than 8, so nothing happens really. Okay, so this is the first pass, and next we'll move on to the second pass. Okay, for the second pass we start off again from the very start. So we had 2, 4, 3, 5, 7 and 8. So if we look at 2 and 4, you can see that the value of 2 is less than 4, so nothing happens there. Next we move our point of focus to the values 3 and 4. So we can see that the value of 3 is less than 4, so therefore the values get swapped. So we'll get 2 stays wherever it was, 3 takes the position of 4 and 4 takes the position of 3 and the rest stays the same. Next we bring our point of focus to the numbers 4 and 5, but they are already sorted. Similarly, if we go to 5 and 7, they are sorted, and 7 and 8 are also sorted. So as you can see that this list is sorted, so we do not need to go any further. So this is how bubble sort works.